in downtown LA, there's a little area known as Chinatown, and a little bit south from Chinatown is this little place called Little Tokyo. And here, it's basically like an outlet store kind of style where there's various shops, foods. There's even like a grocery market there too. So if you're ever interested in trying Asian food, there's also that there too.
This guy's like a kid in a candy store right now. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Someone's popping fireworks right now. My dog's scared. It's okay, buddy. Like right when I was about to start this video, there's like fireworks popping off. It's pretty weird where I'm from, even though it's January the 6th, people still pop fireworks. Anyways, so pretty recently I've been collecting model kits ranging from Gundam, mostly Gundam so far. So after the little shopping little area, there's actually a little underground mall. And this was the place that I was looking for because that's actually where the model kit shop was. It's quite interesting because there's I think there was about like 4 or 5 stores. I think there was 4 stores. So after that, I found my model kit shop that I was looking for. And boy, I was honestly quite surprised of like how many model kits were here. There was ranging from Gundams to other types like Phantasy Star. There's this interesting part where you could actually buy like the statues. I don't know, I'm not sure if they're like life size or anything, but they're huge statues and they're for like, I think roughly around like $7 grand.
These guys' prices though. So you could actually buy these, which is kind of cool. It's like some old stuff from like Japan. It's kind of cool.
That's a lot of moolah for a statue, but if you got the money and if you really want that statue, then that's there, I guess, if you're into that.
This one, because I've been looking to get this one for like a while.
That exact same one?
Yeah, this exact same one. Because on eBay it goes for about like 80. It's like 65 here. It's not too bad.
So the shop name is called Jungle. If you guys are ever interested about the shop, the name and whatnot, they have various places in Asia, and they apparently have. I think they had one place in the United States, which was California. I'm not really too sure exactly. Yeah, so they had their model kit shop, and then they had the card shop, and then they had the anime merchandise type shop. So that was the next shop that I went into. want to say bye, buddy? No? So I actually ended up getting two things while I was at the kit shop. Yeah, so the first one I got was the frame arms. I've been looking at this one on eBay for quite a little bit of a while because it's a little bit pricey. I think it's around the $90 mark. I usually buy Gundams, and those are usually about 15 to roughly 30. And that's like those are the 1/44 scales. The 1/100 scales are a little bit more pricier. And then you got like the master grades, and you got like the perfect grades, and those are like hundreds of dollars. Yeah, so I got this one for about 65 compared to 90 on eBay. So I'm really into the whole mecha kind of style when it comes to figurines or model kits and whatnot. And this one has a whole bunch of different styles that you can put it in. What I really like about it too, it's my color palette as well, because we usually, when I collect model kits or figurines, I only collect with a certain color type, which is pink, purple, blue, black, or white. Anything out of that, I don't really get. And the other one I got was this desktop armory. I'm not really sure where this is from, but I just saw it and I thought it was really cool. Here's the size of this one, and then here's the size of a Gundam. So this one's a little bit smaller. I grew up in the late 90s, early 2000s, and during that time, mecha was like almost everywhere, boy. So yeah, if you're ever in downtown LA and you guys want to check out Little Tokyo, it's literally, I think it's about like a mile from like downtown, a little bit north, and then you should see it. If worse comes to worse, you can just Google it on your phone. Yeah, the next clip, it's going to be the Final Fantasy convention, which is going to be the next vid. Anyways, this has been me. This has been Little Tokyo. I see you guys in the next one. Peace.